And staying on the courts, this time in basketball, the 25th staging of the Jamaica Basketball Association's Star Search and Life Skills Development Camp got underway with over 105 participants from across the island at the G.C. Foster College. The camp is staged yearly to unearth and aid the development of young basketball players. Over the years, a number of players have received scholarships from the many overseas coaches and scouts who have participated in the camp. After the first day of the camp, Coach Gayle of Overtime Elite says he has seen some good stuff.
We've got a lot of campers out here, mixed abilities, some really good hard workers. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the week brings. I haven't seen enough to give a honest opinion. I see some glimmers, but in a camp this size and the speed in which we was going this morning, it was difficult to kind of give a good assessment, but I see some good stuff already.
The president of the Jamaica Basketball Association, Paulton Gordon, says that the number of coaches at the camp gives hope to the talent on show.
We have 15 to 18 coaches this year. Most of them are local this year. We have a couple of overseas coaches who are looking around for talent. But the good thing about that, they have a base of colleges overseas that they have a relationship with. So in terms of spreading the word, in terms of any talent that is identified, they are on point as it relates to that.
The camp ends this Friday with a presentation of awards.